Hey everybody, this is your coach Andrea Dickerson here with IOwnADaycare.com, where we connect childcare business owners with proven management solutions. For today's proven management solution, I want to ask childcare business owners a real unique question. My question for you is, are you creating your manuals with your standard operational procedures for your benefit or for the benefit of others? If you are creating manuals and your manuals are set up where it can duplicate who you are in your childcare business, then you're on the right track. If not, give this video a thumbs up, stay tuned, and I'll be right back.
Jumpstart. Get ready to jumpstart.
Get ready to jumpstart.
Get ready to jumpstart.
Get ready to jumpstart.
Get ready to jumpstart. For staying along with me. I know that right now there are several different triggers and impacts that's happening in the childcare industry around the world due to this unforeseen COVID-19. However, I want for you guys to think forward. Think forward about your business. Think forward about your success. Think forward about your next level. And hopefully you can meet me in a city near you this year. This year, I'm prepared to impact businesses like never before. We must take our position. We must take our business to the next level. And when you meet me live, I'm going to show you how. All right, you guys. So in today's video, I asked you if you were creating your manuals to benefit you or that of the people reading your manuals. And so I want to give you a few key points on some good ways to create your manuals and some ways that are just not appropriate if you're looking to duplicate your system. Now, let's just be real and honest with the first principle. Do you have your manuals prepared in such a way that provides consistency and congruency across the board? When was the last time you opened up your binder and could really see a table of content, tabs, and then a person that was looking for menus can go right to the menu tab and find exactly how to do whatever they're looking for in menus? If you cannot say your SOPs are set up in this way, your manuals are set up in this way, then today's video is going to definitely be a game changer for you. So some of the bad things that come along with creating SOPs without having a guide or wisdom is that they're insufficient, they are not completed, and there are some missing pieces to your puzzle. And so a lot of times we just are thinking about things that we want done, so we quickly write it down, and then when we write it down, we are writing it in a way so that we don't forget and we can remember. However, it's not written in a way that the reader can retrieve the information, follow the information, implement the information, and then teach it to somebody else. So let me give you another example. So like, say for instance, you have a process for how mail is assessed in your business. Somebody goes to your mailbox, get the mail, bring the mail in, and then do what with it? So instead of your SOP having a basic title mail, you will literally write for your SOP how to process mail. That way you can put step by step on how to retrieve the mail, what to do once you've retrieved the mail, what to do once you have processed the mail, what to do on when someone isn't available, who is responsible for the mail, so you'll troubleshoot that as well. So you go through the processes of writing down what you want for somebody else to do for you so that you can be successful in your business. One sign of a professional organization are streamlined processes. Something as simple as checking the mail in your childcare program is so important. I'll tell you why. So for me and my childcare business, I am not at my location 24 hours or 7 days a week. And so with that being said, I had to create an SOP for who checks the mail, what happens when they check the mail, and how to process it. The reason why that was so important is because my business address was listed on a lot of, and several organizations will reach out to me based on my business address and not necessarily my mailing address. So I had to train a team of people who could help me run my business whether I was there or not. And checking the mail was something that I had to have done in my business. And then once the mail was processed, I had my own personal system as a CEO. The reason why I had my own personal system is because I could work with at least 10 to 20 pieces of mail every single day. And so I was stopping, taking out about an hour of my day every single day to go through mail. But then I shifted my system to where I didn't have to take an hour each day. I wrote my SOP for what my assistants were to do when they check the mail, what to do with the mail. And then when I got time on my business development day or my Take a Look Tuesday, I will go through all my mail, take a look at what was going on with my business, utilize my calendar, place information on my calendar, respond back to mail that needed my response, or put dates on my calendar. So this is how I process my mail. Something as simple as mail has to have this is how you do it process in your business or in any business. And so that's just my behind the scene. But what if I never trained my assistant on where to go and retrieve the mail, what to do with the mail once you retrieve it, what time I need it retrieved by, where to place the mail at? You know, all of that is so critical and so important to my organization running successfully that I had to systemize it. So now that's how detailed I want you to think. I want you to go through your systems in your business and think about the details that you need to have clearly written out and clearly set aside to help you write out appropriate, easy to duplicate, easy to read systems. Remember, it's not what they're doing, but it's how you want it done. So most of your SOPs will begin with how to XYZ when it comes to a system. Well, all right. I enjoy giving you guys these tools and resources to help empower and motivate you to succeed. Several of you may be home right now and you're not in your childcare business, which is a great thing. Now, all you need to do is sit down and think about all of your manuals that you have in place. Go through them. Make sure you have a table of content. After you do your table of content, make sure there are tabs available, and then read each and every one of your SOPs and make sure that it is written in a way that a person can read your SOP, execute what's on your SOP, and also train others from it. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video, Your Work It Wednesday. I'm excited about what's ahead in our future. Do not be dismayed. Do not treat your future as if it does not exist, because it does. Stay up, stay encouraged, and stay motivated. As a way to keep you motivated, you are welcome to join me every single month on the 15th of the month where we have our master classes. If you're interested in mentoring and coaching from me, be sure to join us at jumpstartbossesofamerica.com. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye, you guys.